Smart Dynamic Navigation 2.0. With the path tracking sensor, Smart Dynamic Navigation 2.0 allows for purposeful cleaning across all surfaces when compared to random path robotic vacuums. 2000 pascals of hard-hitting suction. The ultra-strong 2000 pascals of suction power ensures more debris is picked up across all surfaces, giving you noticeably cleaner floors. App control with cleaning history. Complete all your cleaning needs right from your smartphone. When the job is done, check out where and when your RoboVac cleaned. BoostIQ Technology. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed, so you get the best clean. What you get. RoboVac G30, charging base, AC power adapter, 2 side brushes, additional Unibody filter, cleaning tool, 5 cable ties, welcome guide, and our worry-free 12-month warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Makes my life so much easier. We bought this vacuum because our dog sheds a ton in the spring and fall. His little blonde hair creates a halo effect on our dark hardwood. This vacuum has been fantastic. I still use my regular vacuum on the weekends, but I no longer have to do daily run-around. I have it set to go every other day at 1 a.m., and every day during shedding season, as long as I remember to empty the collection bin. That would probably be the only improvement I would like. Is a message reminder that the collection bin is full.